UW-Eau Claire students are developing a hearing test that could open doors for the Hmong-speaking community. Health professionals can measure hearing by using speech recognition tests, but local researchers say a test for native Hmong speakers does not exist. A speech recognition test measures the softest sound your ear can pick up and how clearly you can comprehend spoken words. Over the summers, undergrads Cao Li Kor and Mai Li Zhang created a hearing test for people who speak White Hmong. That's a common dialect in the Hmong community. They compiled 4 lists containing 50 words each. The young researchers say their work can be a huge asset to the older, aging Hmong population.
When they go to get their hearing tested, if they don't understand the words, how can they differentiate, if these people are actually losing their hearing or just not understanding? And so being able to create a list where they can actually understand the words will actually help us gauge where their hearing is at.
Kor and Zhang will submit their technical report to a research team at UW-Madison next week. That team will test people using the compiled lists of words. If successful, they hope audiologists will use those tests in the future.